Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make Muringakai Pachadi. In English it's called Muringai. We call this vegetable as a superfood which is very rich in iron, and even the Muringakai, the leaves
Can be stir fried and have it as a vegetable.
This is a vegetarian dish and it goes very well for a lunch menu. You can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee to it. Let's get started with the ingredients. Main ingredient for today's recipe will be this drumstick. In English it's also called as Muringai. In Tamil it is called Muringakai. It's grown like this. And the leaves of this is very nutritious
And can be stir fried.
I've taken about 5 of this. I've cut into these pieces, washed it and ready to use. Tur dal, about half cup. You can pressure cook it and keep it ready before you start. Okay, and then small onions. I've taken about 7. I've cut it lengthwise, and then I've taken bulb of spring onion as well. About 2-3 I've chopped it. Chili, green chili 2, tomatoes 2, tamarind juice I've taken about 3 tablespoons, chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric half teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon as well, and coriander for garnishing. And I'll be tempering urad dal half teaspoon and cumin seeds half teaspoon in 3 tablespoons of oil together with asafoetida half teaspoon. So let's get started with the Okay, I'm just using the water to boil the vegetable first. I'm using the dal water. Dal I'm keeping it later to use. So I'm just pre-cooking this. Adding some extra water. Let it cook a bit, the vegetables more than half cooked. It will take about 10 minutes. So I'm just covering it. Reduce the flame. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. I use the dal water. Once you cook the dal, take out the top, only the water, and use it to cook this. If you put in the pressure, you can't put in the pressure cooker with dal. Only thing, the vegetable, it won't be firm. So it's better to use the water, whatever is there, extra water from the dal. Use it for boiling it. About 3/4 cooked. See, it's been 3/4 cooked. Now I'm removing it. I'm going to season the spices and the onion and put this inside with the dal. Adding about 3 tablespoons of oil, urad dal 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half teaspoon. Once this is golden brown, green chili, garlic, onion. Then I'm adding some carrots as well, just for the color. It's your choice. It's an option to add. Okay, carrot. I'm adding some asafoetida powder, a pinch. Add the asafoetida powder little bit, a pinch. To add brinjal. If you like it, you can add it. For me, I like brinjal in the Muringakai Pachadi. So I'm adding it. Then I'm adding, once onions are translucent, add the brinjal. Earlier in the introduction, I didn't show all this because it's just an option. If you don't like it, you can just add just the moringa. And then another vegetable I love to add is avaraka. Okay, I've cut it up into small pieces. I've taken about 6 and I'm adding it into this. Just stir until it is all well combined. And you know the vegetables are combining well with the onion and the spices which are tempered in the oil. Very least. But add the bulb of the spring onion which I showed you earlier. Whatever vegetable, if you feel it is lying in the fridge for too long, you can add it in. It's your choice. Tomatoes. Wait for the tomatoes to soften and combine with the other vegetables. Tomato is softened. Now I'm going to add the masala powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Just stir until the raw taste goes. Now
Now I am adding the cooked moringa which I had cooked earlier, pre-cooked it earlier. No, I showed you all. So I am adding it in. Adding the pre-cooked dal. Tur dal, you can add your choice. You can add tur dal or moong dal. I cook tur dal, so I'm going to add it. It's your choice. Any dal you can add. Pre-cooked, add it in. It is a must to add tamarind juice. Since you have added 2 tomatoes, I am going to just add 1 tablespoon first. And then if not enough, I will add extra later. So let this boil and simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon of salt. Cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Tasting the salt. Okay, I felt the tamarind is not enough, so I am adding another 1 tablespoon. Just add tamarind according to your taste. If you feel it is not enough, you can adjust. But don't add too much in the beginning. Just add about half tamarind once it boils. And you know, when you add brinjal, it will suck tamarind. So you add according to your taste. I added 2 tablespoons because of brinjal. It's all well combined, and the vegetables I added in also is cooked well. See the brinjal and then the avaraka, carrot. So it's time to turn off. Before that, coriander and a teaspoon of ghee. It's time to turn off the stove. The moringa pachadi is ready to serve. Please try out this, and thanks for watching.